Here we have, and where is she from? Right there.
Mommy's Flowers.
And where are you located?
We are located in Lawrence, and I came to learn from the expert.
In Massachusetts. She did this rogue hand tie. It's really pretty on camera.
Yeah?
Yeah, it looks really good. How hard was classes this week?
Well, it was very challenging because I didn't know some of the techniques that I needed to learn, to give the customers, good quality and stuff. I think the hardest thing for me was actually the bouquets and to learn how to turn them and maintain them unified with a round and in the different shape. I think it was great.
You're the fastest designer we probably ever had in the history of the school. I asked her if she did flowers before. I could always tell. And she said, yes. There it is again.
Mommy's Flowers.
I'm promoting you. And yes, you have from rough edges, and we're smoothing them out as we go. That's beautiful. Show them your centerpiece. I like your centerpiece. Oh, and your cluster and zone as well. Look, she's standing on its own stems. Centerpiece, right there. She did oblong centerpiece, the only one who did that tonight. It's a classic design. You can't go wrong.
Yeah. I tried to combine it a little bit with the bouquet.
Yeah.
Mommy's Flowers.
Mommy's Flowers. M-A-M-I-I. Get the spelling right if you're going to look her up.
Yes, and Instagram. Come on, you guys. We're ready to make this wedding.
She's a good little designer already. Let me see your last bouquet. Yeah, look at that, rockstar. That really turned out nice. Hold still. There it is. Ooh, that is lush.
Love it.
You have two shades. She has two shades of spray rose in there. I love it. Fantastic.
It's going to be for my granddaughter.
Thank you for coming to American School of Flower Design. You are a good designer. You're even better now. Wow.
Thank you so much.
You know you can always contact me if you need any help. Just email me. If you have a big wedding, I'll fly in, or I'll get these girls to work for you.
Of course. No, I'm here.